Naan pa.
She's beautiful, that girl he talks about. She's got everything that I have to live without. True talks to me. I laugh 'cause it's just so funny. I can't even see anyone when he's with me. He says he's so in love. He's finally got it right. I wonder if he knows he's all I think about at night. He's the reason for the